This problem number 3, it's another dimensional analysis problem. And the problem itself is the temperature is 298.15 Kelvin. And then I asked the two following questions. What is this temperature in degrees Celsius? That's part A. And then part B is what is this temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? And so this is just simply a matter of converting from one unit to another. And we, as always with the factor label method, you start with what you're given, what you know on the left-hand side, and then proceed to go to the units that you want. And so the first thing we have to do, however, is take into account, I'm given a temperature of 298.15 Kelvin, but I have to adjust for the 0 in degrees Celsius, and that happens to occur at 273.15 Kelvin. And so I'm going to have to take and start with 298.15 Kelvin minus 273.15 Kelvin. And notice that they have to be in Kelvin. I cannot subtract. The units have to be included in this. So I can't subtract anything from Kelvin but Kelvin. Now I'm still in Kelvin, but I've now adjusted for the 0 degrees Celsius. And now I'm going to multiply that times the conversion factor, which is going to contain in the numerator the units I wish to go to, and in the denominator the units that I'm coming from. And since the units there are the same, there's 1 degree Celsius, or the divisions I should say are the same, for every 1 Kelvin, we've already pretty much done all the work. We just now have to make sure that we're in the right units. And this turns out to be 298 minus 273, which is 25. And now we're going to have to include the significant figures in our answer. And since this was an addition, we have to include no more than the fewest number to the right of the decimal, which was 0.15 in the given information. So I end up with an answer that is 25.00 degrees Celsius. And that takes care of part A.